Are you too late to catch the biggest wealth-building opportunity of your life? Every day, you hear people say the stock market is at its peak, too volatile, too risky. But what if they're wrong? What if this is actually the perfect moment to invest? In the next 10 minutes, we'll dive deep into the truth behind market cycles, history, and the opportunities still waiting for you if you act now. Point 1. The fear of missing. Fear, it's one of the most powerful emotions, and when it comes to the stock market, fear is everywhere. Maybe you've seen it, the fear that it's too late to invest. You think about the people who bought Apple stock in the 80s or Bitcoin in 2011, and you wonder, did I miss my shot? But here's the thing, the market has always seemed too late, until it wasn't. Remember 2008? People thought the financial world was collapsing. Yet, those who invested after the crash made enormous gains. The stock market isn't just about timing, it's about long-term vision. But before we get into that, let's take a quick look at the history of the market and how it always finds a way to rebound. Point 2. The history of the market and its resilience. The stock market has been around for centuries, weathering wars, depressions, recessions, and bubbles. The Dow Jones was established in 1896, yes, 1896, and despite all the chaos since then, it's grown from just 40 points to over 30,000 today. What's the secret behind this resilience? It's simple, the economy grows, businesses innovate, and over time, investments compound. Think of it like a river, winding through the landscape. There are rough rapids, slow pools, but over the decades, it keeps moving forward. The question is, where will this river take us next? Point 3. The opportunity that's still in front of you. Now, here's where things get exciting. Technology has changed the game. In the past, you needed brokers, fees, and connections to get started. Today, you can invest in the stock market with as little as $100, right from your phone. And guess what? The market is still growing. New technologies, like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and biotech, are poised to explode in the next decade. These are industries that could define our future, the same way tech stocks like Amazon and Google skyrocketed in the early 2000s. These emerging sectors could be tomorrow's success stories. But what about the risks? Should you be scared? Should you wait? Point 4. The risks and how to overcome. Here's the truth. Yes, there are risks. The stock market will always have downturns, corrections, and even crashes. But history shows us that time in the market beats timing the market. Investing isn't about avoiding the dips. It's about riding them out. Imagine you started investing just $50 a month at 25. By the time you're 65, you could have hundreds of thousands of dollars. Because it's not about the amount, it's about consistency. Over time, those little investments compound, turning into something much bigger. So, how do you actually get started? Let's break it down. Point 5. How to start today and build wealth for the future. Starting is simpler than you think. You don't need thousands of dollars or to be a Wall Street genius. Download a platform like Robinhood or Fidelity, set up an account, and you're ready to invest. Index funds, individual stocks, fractional shares. There are so many ways to begin. The key is to start. Don't wait for the perfect time, because you'll never find it. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. But what's the most important step? Let's talk about that next. Point Act 6. The most important lesson about investing. Patience. The most successful investors aren't the ones who jumped in at the perfect time. They're the ones who stayed in the game, through the ups and downs. Time and discipline are your greatest allies. It's not too late to invest. In fact, the best time to start is now. The question is, will you take action, or will you let fear hold you back? Because in 10 years, you'll either look back and wish you had, or you'll look back and thank yourself for starting today. So, are you too late? Absolutely not. The real risk is waiting any longer. The stock market is a long game, and time is on your side. Start now, stay consistent, and let your money work for you. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and strategies. The next move is yours.